Win Accounting makes commission management and sales team analysis easy. Create and assign unique sales team codes and commission structures to quickly and easily manage sales commission payments. Reduce administrative costs, ensure commissions are paid on time, and keep your employees smiling along the way. Easily track sales performance and speed up the administration of sales commission payments. Adding a new Salesman code is easy. Let's see how. Begin by selecting Salesman Codes on the Debtors Control Maintenance window. Click Insert to add a new salesperson. Enter a unique code, salesperson description, commission percentage, and commission type, calculated either on gross or net. Now you can easily assign salespeople to specific invoice line items, or set the default person responsible for each individual sale. A variety of smart accounting reports analyze sales team performances, enabling you to enhance their efficiency and ensure success. Visit winac.com to learn more about using sales team codes and sales analysis.